I feel bad about that. I feel bad about that. When my kids na they make me lambing, they say, Mama, we're gonna take care of you. Oh, honey, I don't expect you to do that because I'm working so hard for you guys. But I think it's also right for a child. Like, I did it, but I didn't really have to take care of my parents day to day. But when there was a big bill like a medical bill, a hospital, oh my God, these are my parents. I mean, without their guidance and their love and the way they raised me, I don't think I would have come as far as I have. But I think kailangan din sa atin yung filial piety. It's just in our culture. And I'm sorry, kahit anong sabihin mo, may utang na loob ko sa magulang mo. So, siguro hindi naman like me, they know I don't need their money, pero yung the mere the mere thought na naisip nila, it's so like Frankie when she got her first paycheck, it was 20,000 in cash. When she got home, I said, "Wow, Mama, you were paid." You know, she was giving the whole amount to me and Kiko. She said, "It's my first." Well, oh my God, just give us 1,000, we'll split it. Psycho, and then you keep that. Half of it you can spend for what you want. Half of it just keep it muna. You're teaching them, just to just the gesture, just the thought.
Generosity.
Yes, parang nakakaano lang ng dibdib, di ba? Parang, or someone will say, Mom, you can use my savings muna. I'm like, oh, no, 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 di ba? If I ever borrow money from you, I will pay with interest, but I never have. So, it's just cute na they're aware and they're very willing and there's so much trust and respect. I taught Casey even before she graduated from college. So, when she graduated, I said, when we get home, because we were in Paris, I said, when we get home, I'm turning over to you all your savings, not 1 peso less. So, kung ano nang tinubo sa pag-invest ko nung inabot ko na. So, and she knew, I said, maliit pa siya because now we separated. So, I want you to grow up knowing you're a very strong woman. You don't need a man to support you. You can work for yourself and your own future. And if you meet somebody that's worth spending the rest of your life, well, then go ahead. Just be happy. Pero at least wala na yung problema. You don't have to find someone who's wealthy, just someone decent who will love